Ryan Hildreth. Hi, my name is Smita Singh. I'm from Tanawan City, Batangas, Philippines, and I'm doing a review of the company of Ryan Hildreth called cashflowchannels.com. The first position I applied for was video editor, since I have a lot of experience in using different softwares such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, Filmora Go, and also Canva. Ryan's team definitely helped me get my first client. Working with Louisa is great. She is a good communicator, very approachable, and also responds quickly to all my questions. As a video editor in this team, I really enjoyed it. Aside from the fact that it improves my skills, it also helped me enhance my creativity more and work better with the team. I'm confident that Ryan Hildreth and his team would be able to place me with another client if needed, or if the contract with my current employer has already ended. Working with Ryan Hildreth and his team is something that I highly recommend. They work very professionally and their team has a great communication with each other, and also they are very committed with what they do. Thank you.